Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact images you want to link and why you need a link, quick access, or sharing. Once done, make sure files are in one folder and named clearly. This reduces errors later. If you plan to share outside your laptop, choose between a local shortcut and uploading to a cloud service. Now create the working folder and confirm permissions. These initial choices determine the next steps and prevent broken links. You now create the actual link. For a local shortcut, right-click the folder or file, choose Create Shortcut, then move that shortcut where you need it. For a cloud link, upload the photos, wait for sync, and then set sharing permissions to view or edit. This controls who can open files. Once the service generates a URL, copy it and test it in a private window. Make sure link targets the intended folder, not a temporary upload location. You finish by distributing the link and verifying access. Paste the URL or attach the shortcut where recipients need it, and include a short note about viewing or downloading. Once done, immediately test the link on another device or an incognito window to confirm it opens the correct photos. If someone reports a problem, first check sharing permissions, then ensure files are still in the original folder and cloud sync completed. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.